Google just dropped the most powerful AI agent ever made, and nobody is talking about it. This thing researches like a pro analyst, builds charts, writes full reports, even works while you sleep. I'm going to show you exactly what it does and how to use it. Let's go. Now listen up. Google just did something crazy. While everyone was busy watching OpenAI, Google quietly launched an AI agent that changes everything. It's called Gemini Deep Research. And the upgraded version is called Deep Research Max. This is not a chatbot. This is not just an answer machine. This is an actual AI worker. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to save hours every single week. And I'm going to show you something at the 4-minute mark that most people miss. It's the real reason Google might be winning the AI race. I'm also going to share a secret prompt at the end that nobody's talking about, so don't skip. Verse 2026. The first one is called Deep Research. It's the fast one. Quick answers, built for everyday work. The second one is Deep Research Max. This is the genius mode. It thinks longer, works harder. It can run overnight while you sleep. One is for speed, one is for serious brain power. And here's the cool part, both of them work in the background. So you can give it a task, close your laptop, and come back to a finished report. That's wild. Now here's the wild part. This AI doesn't just answer questions, it does the whole job. Think about how research used to work. You open 10 tabs. You read for hours. You take messy notes. You forget where you found stuff. You waste your whole day. Now you just give one prompt, and the AI does all of it. It plans the research. It searches the web. It reads the sources. It compares the info. Builds charts. It writes the final report. With citations. That's a huge jump. We went from chatbot to actual worker, and that changes the whole game. Let me show you what it can really do. The first big thing is that it searches the web and your private files at the same time. This is massive. It can read your PDFs, your spreadsheets, your company files, databases, and it mixes that with web data. But imagine you run a business. You can say, hey, look at our sales data and compare it to what's trending in our industry online. Then give me a report. No copy-paste. No back and forth. No mess. The second big thing is that it makes charts and graphs by itself. More going to Canva. No more Excel. More begging your designer. You ask. Builds charts, graphs, visuals, ready for a board meeting. The third thing is that it shows you the plan first. Before it starts, it tells you what it's going to do. You can approve it or change it. This is a game changer because it stops the AI from wasting time on the wrong stuff. And the fourth thing is that you can watch it think. You see the AI's brain working in real time. It's actually pretty cool. It feels like watching a smart intern work, except this intern never sleeps, never complains, never asks for a raise. Now let me give you a real example. Let's say you want to grow a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You'd open Deep Research and type something like this. You search the top 10 AI automation communities online. Find out what they charge, what features they offer, what people complain about. Then build a chart comparing them. And give me 3 ideas to make my community better. Press enter, walk away, get coffee, come back, full report. That's the kind of work that used to take a marketing team a week. Now it takes one prompt and a coffee break. Let me give you another example. Say you want to create a new landing page for your business. You can tell Deep Research, hey, look at the top 20 landing pages in my niche. Find what makes them convert. Pull out the headlines, the offers, the call to actions. Then build me a plan for my own landing page. Let me share something quick. If you want to see back to the good stuff. Why is this so big? Because Google owns everything. Think about it. Google owns search. They own YouTube. They own Gmail. They own Docs. They own Sheets. They own Maps. They own Android. They own Cloud. Now they're plugging this AI agent into all of it. That means your AI worker can read your email, update your calendar, build your slides, search the web, watch YouTube videos, all in one shot. No other company can do this. Not OpenAI, not Perplexity. Google has the home field advantage. And they're using it. And here's the secret most people don't see. This isn't really about research at all. This is Google building AI workers inside every single product they own. Play. In a few months, your Gmail will write emails for you. Your Docs will write reports. Your Sheets will build forecasts. Your calendar will book meetings. It's all coming fast. We're not talking next year. Talking right now. The shift is happening as you watch this video. And get this, Google also dropped a whole enterprise platform alongside Deep Research. That means companies can build their own AI agents, AI customer support bots, developer agents that handle Jira tickets, assistants that build slides and docs, AI workers that run on the inside of any business. So this isn't just a tool, it's a full system. Google is basically becoming the operating system for AI workers. That's huge and kind of scary, but a massive opportunity if you move fast. Now let's talk about who this is for. Google says deep research is best for people in finance, science, market research, and big business. But honestly, this thing is for everyone. If you run a business, if you create content, if you do marketing, if you sell stuff online, this is for you. Even if you're just starting out, you can use this to compete with companies that have whole research teams. That's leverage. That's the power. The second use case is science. Got a research topic? It reads hundreds of papers in minutes. Gives you a clean summary. Third use case is agencies. You can do a competitor audit in like 10 minutes. Stuff that used to take a junior employee 3 days. The fourth use case is YouTubers. You can find trending topics, pull stats, build outlines, get ideas fast. And the fifth use case is communities, like the AI Profit Boardroom. You can research what your members want, what problems they have, what other communities are doing wrong, then build a plan to crush it. Here's another use case I love, email marketing. You can tell deep research, look at the top email newsletters in my niche, find their best performing subject lines, find the structure they use, build me a 30-day email plan with subject lines, hooks, and topics. That's a full email strategy, done in one prompt. How about content planning? You can say, look at the top 50 YouTube videos in my niche over the last 30 days. Find what's trending. Build me 20 video ideas with titles, hooks, and outlines. That's a whole month of content, researched, ready to film. Now here's where it gets really fun. Let me compare this to what else is out there. OpenAI tools are great, but they feel more like assistants. You ask, they answer. Perplexity gives you awesome search, but mostly just search. Google Deep Research is a full-stack AI worker. It plans, searches, reads, builds, writes, and delivers. That's a different level. Now Google says this is the best at retrieval and reasoning. They claim it's top tier. I'm not going to lie and say it's proven number one. We need outside tests to confirm. But based on what I've seen, this is for real. Here's how you can start using it today. The first step is to pick a project. Maybe you want to grow your business. Maybe you need a competitor report. Maybe you want a content plan. The second step is to write a clear prompt. Tell it the goal. Tell it the format. Tell it what to focus on. Like this. Build a research report on the top AI tools for small business owners. Price, ease of use, and time saved. Then give me a chart comparing them. And write 3 social media posts I can use to share the findings. Third step is to approve the plan. When the AI shows you the plan, check it, tweak it, make sure it's right. The fourth step is to let it run. Go do something else. Make food. Walk the dog. Take a nap. And the fifth step is to use the report. When it's done, you'll have something you can actually use. Not just info, real output, reports, charts, posts, plans. That's the power. Quick tip, better your prompt, better the result. Garbage in, garbage out. So spend a few minutes writing a clear prompt. Tell it the goal. Tell it the audience. Tell it the format you want. Tell it the length. The more details, the better. Don't be lazy with this part. Another tip, use the max version for big jobs. Use the regular version for quick stuff. If you want a deep market study, use max. If you want a quick fact check, use the fast one. Pick the right tool for the job. Now I want to be real with you. The world is shifting fast. The people who only use prompts, they'll struggle. The people who use AI agents, they'll dominate. It's that simple. Before we wrap up, let me say this one more time. If you want to actually use AI agents to grow your business and save time, you got to join the AI Profit Boardroom.